Hello and welcome to AALogics. Today we will guide you through a powerful Shopify to Magento2 products CSV extension, an essential tool designed to simplify your e-commerce data migration. So this extension allows you to export products from Shopify and seamlessly import them into your Magento2 store. You can migrate products efficiently, support large catalogs, error-free importing. Now you can see the dashboard of Magento. First, open the AALogics tab and click on Shopify to Magento. Now this will bring up the interface in front of you. So here, we need to convert a CSV file that will be downloaded from your Shopify store in the format of CSV. This file contains your Shopify store's product and we will convert it to be compatible with Magento. So choose a file from here. It took a moment. Now the file is uploaded. Simply click the convert button. The file is converted. Now, first you will open the system and here at the top you will click on import button. Simply click the import button. Now this will bring up the interface in front of you. The first section is import setting. Simply select the entity type, which is usually products. Now the next section is import behavior. You will select the import behavior, which is typically add and update. And here you will upload the file that you have converted. Now choose the file from here. It took a moment. Now you can see the file is uploaded. After uploading the file, you will click the check data button from here to verify whether the data is correct or not. Now you can see this, the file is valid. Once verified, the import button will appear over here. Simply click on it and you will see that your products have been successfully imported. So this extension is perfect for business looking to save time, reduce manual errors, and to scale their e-commerce operations with ease. Whether you are a small business or an enterprise, this tool helps you focus on what matters growing your e-commerce business. So purchase and download the Shopify on Magento 2 products CSV extension today from shop.double-logics.com. For any questions, feel free to contact us. Double Logics, innovating for your success.